Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's an adorable buttercream marble cake topped with a chocolate drizzle, donuts, macarons, and meringue cookies. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So basically, to recreate this adorable cake, I first stacked it together by using buttercream. The recipe is in my description box down below. If you find it too sugary, you can go also and have a look at my Swiss meringue buttercream that is in my blog. So to each our own. Some people like buttercream, some people prefer the Swiss meringue because it's less sugary. It's more like a settled taste to it. So yeah, I stacked it together and then did a crumb coat and pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes before doing my second coat of buttercream. Many of you were asking me, like, can I skip that step? What's the point of a crumb coat? Like, why should I do that? Can I just like put a bunch of buttercream out there and then just scrape it off so that it's nice and like crisp? The answer is I would highly suggest not to. The whole point of the crumb coat is to really seal those crumbs to your cake by using buttercream or any filling that you have. By doing that, once you're gonna cover it with a second layer of buttercream, you won't have those crumbs mixed to your buttercream, or else you'll have those crumbs and it's just gonna create creases and it's just gonna be a mess. So my answer is no. Don't skip the step. It's one step more, but I'm telling you, it's better to do the crumb coat. Once you have that, you can go ahead and then just recreate the marble effect. To do so, I did a bunch of different pink shades. I did some peach, pink, light pink, darker pink, and I just put it randomly onto my cake by using my spatula, everywhere that you want. And then using my scraper, I scraped around and around and around until I have the effect that I want. By doing that, you'll see it's gonna blend in together and it's just gonna give you that beautiful marble effect. So for the top, I just placed a large donut with some sprinkles by Sweet Apolita. You can use my code for 15% off, so you can go ahead and look at their website. They have really, really cool stuff. So that's for that, and then for a little macaroons, and then Swiss meringue, and then that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.